Oh, good evening, Frog. How was your day? No, nothing. I'm just trying to catch some flies. I don't think you're gonna find flies in this area. Normally they're found in swamps. Then I'm gonna look there. Silly frog. Well, I guess since nobody's here, the water's all for me. Now that was refreshing. Huh? What the? Oh no! Don't tell me I have the hiccups! I hate hiccups! How do you even... I forgot if you drank too fast, you get the hiccups! I better go talk to friends. It's such a beautiful day in Zord Park. It's cool, the birds are singing, and it's just beautiful out. I wonder where Wolf is. I want to teach him my new sword moves. Oh! Who's there? Listen, I don't know who that was, but I have swords, and I'm not afraid to use them. Wolf? Oh. Oh. Hello, Ape! Whoa! Holy sensei! Wolf, what's the problem? I have the hiccups! The hiccups? Oh my, the hiccups are not a pleasant experience. You could say that again. Do you have any tricks I could use to get rid of them? Well, come have a seat with me. Oh, okay. The key of getting rid of your hiccups is to relax. Take a deep breath. Follow my moves. Take a deep breath. Okay. Now enter inner peace and hold your breath for 5 seconds. Sensei! Say, they're gone. Ah! Rats! You know what? I wonder if I'm ready to get a girlfriend. Oh! What? Wolf, good evening, my friend. What brings you here? Well, I have a case of the hiccups. The hiccups? Oh, I'm afraid I don't have much advice for that. I don't get the hiccups that often. How did you get them? I think you know the ordeal. Drinking water too fast, and then you get the hiccups. Don't you have any? Well, I do have a bear hug. A what? A bear hug. Look, I stand myself up, and then I give someone a hug. I think it'll work. Bear, I think you got the point. Did it work? Oh, I think so. No, it didn't. Do you have anything else? Nope, a bear hug is all I can think of. Sorry. Oh, Sabretooth. Hey Wolf, how was your day? Not good. Why's that? Because the hiccups decided to get into my system and they're annoying the heck out of me. Jeez, they sound pretty bad. Yeah, and they're getting worse at the moment. Okay, just okay. I think I have a solution to getting rid of your hiccups. What? Oh, just hold still. What is this gonna do? Ah! Oh, was that really necessary? Well, it always works for me when I get the hiccups. You literally shoot yourself with your own laser? No, I let Tricera do it. Ugh, whatever. See, and it didn't even work. Look, Wolf, I don't know how to get rid of your hiccups, okay? Did you ask Bear? He gave me a bear hug. Did you ask Ape? He passed out on me. Well, why don't you try talking to Crane? She's usually the one with inner peace. If you say so. Oh my god. No! What was that for? I was trying to spook the hiccups out of you. Well, it didn't work. Mr. Bossy. Oh, you stupid hiccups! Just get out of my body! I guess there's one more solution. I might as well just go stand upside down and sing the worst song possible. Twinkle, twinkle, little, how I wonder where you shrouded in. Oh, I am dreadfully sorry, Wolf. I didn't mean to hurt you. Frog, I was right there. Just because you're a frog doesn't mean you have to jump on people, use it for target practice. Wait. My hiccups are gone. They are? Yeah. Thanks, Frog. Anytime. Thanks for landing on me. Just don't do it ever again. I promise. Nope.